How much does your smartphone earn you every month or every week or every day or every year? That's the question I would like us to ponder upon in today's video. So if you have a smartphone and for some reason you still have some financial difficulties here and there, you want to stay up to the very end of this video because I am going to show you how you can convert the smartphone you have in your hand into a cash cow. So guys, if you own a smartphone and all you've earned from it is texts and phone calls and forwards and TikTok videos, you need to watch this video to the very end because you are going to learn how you can convert your smartphone into a cash cow and you can be making money through your smartphone. So the first thing you're gonna have to do if you haven't earned any money from your smartphone today or this week or this month or this year is to take a seat, like sit down and take an inventory of how you spend your waking time and especially how you spend the time you have your smartphone in your hands. What do you do with your smartphone from when you wake up until when you go to bed? So all those things that you currently do on your phone, whether consciously or unconsciously, and make you money, those are assets. And those that you do on your phone unconsciously or consciously, but you do not make any money out of it, it means your smartphone is a liability to you. So it is time that we learned the art of using our smartphones to make money, because most of us have smartphone and we still complain here and there though we do not have money, the economy is hard and the like. And most of us, you will realize if you sat down and take an inventory of how you spend the time on your smartphone, you're most probably snooping on other people's WhatsApp statuses or watching twerkers on TikTok or watching movies and Niger movies on Netflix, or following unhealthy Facebook chats, or worse, or arguing with strangers on the World Wide Web, or hating on people you don't even know on TikTok. My friend, what do you do with your smartphone? Your answer means your smartphone is either a liability to you or it is an asset to you. For your smartphone to be a cash cow, you need it to be an asset to you, which means that it makes money. And I have nothing against using your smartphone to watch people twerking on TikTok or to troll people that you don't even know. That's your life, that's your time, that's your bundles. However, what if you could do all these things and still make money from your smartphone? I think that would be a really dope idea. So what you need to do is to decide to do something profitable with your phone in such a way that before you sleep every day, you have some money coming in because of your smartphone. And this can only happen if you look at your smartphone as a money-making tool, as a cash cow. And there's so many things you can do with your smartphone and turn it into a cash cow. So for example, I know people who use their phones for forex trading. I know people who offer online tutoring services on different platforms such as iTurkey.com. I know people who use their phones to create content and get paid for it right here, whether that will be YouTube or TikTok, or to write ebooks or to create digital art, for example, here. I know people who run WhatsApp classes on their phones and they actually make money running WhatsApp courses. And so it depends on what risks you are willing to take up. But remember, the more risks you are willing to take up, the more likely you are to make money. And the best part is that for you to make money with your smartphone, there are no specialized skills or no upfront investment that is required on your part. But the best part is that you're gonna invest upfront work most of the time, and then once you have set up all the parameters and the systems in place, then you can just sit back and earn money even while you sleep. This is what we call passive income, and that's what we talk about mostly on the Eva Matali channel. So in this uncertain times that we find ourselves, you cannot afford to spend all your money on your smartphone. Find ways to get a return on investment on your smartphone by getting your phone to make some money for you. Make it your New Year resolution to have your smartphone as an asset and not just as a liability. And as I've already said, I have nothing against you dancing the day away on TikTok or snooping people's WhatsApp statuses, but find something additional to all this. And the best way to go about it, just look at all your skills, your experiences, and your knowledge, and see how you can create a solution to problems that other people currently have. Thank you guys for staying to the very end of the video. I am looking forward to see what your answers are in the comment section below. How much money does your smartphone pay you every month? Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I will see you on the next one.